Hi there, Upstanders! This is Connie Zabala and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So today I will be sharing about how small things can make a huge difference. This video will be a little different, but as always will be connected to the virtual assistant, because this video is about what can you do to help our environment as a VA. So I will be sharing some tips here. The video is actually short, and the reason I'm sharing with you is because it is worth sharing and it can be useful for all of us. I actually created this video for another company, but I think this is worth sharing, especially to us who have a business online. So I hope that you will apply what you learn on this video. So let's get to that video. Now, I believe that environment conservation is very important. And to be honest, we do not need to be rich or popular just to make a difference to save our planet Earth. Now, here in the Philippines, having a flood during a rainstorm is normal. However, we should not ignore it and do nothing about it. As a human being, we are responsible to take care of planet Earth. Let me give you some 3 examples on how we can make a difference. Number 1 is, since most of us are commuters, we tend to buy some foods on our way home or while we travel and eat some snacks. What we can do is to keep that wrapper, however tiny it is. We should keep them and dispose of them properly. We can temporarily put them in our pockets or in the bags or in the purses. And as we reach our destination, we throw them properly. We should never throw them anywhere, especially in the water, in the river, or in the drainage. They do not belong there. The second and third thing that I will share with you is something that we can do, especially for those who have their online businesses. One is to prevent ourselves from printing many materials as much as possible, especially if those are not necessary or a requirement. If we can do if we can read everything and take care of everything in a digital or virtual way, we must do that. In that way, we save more paper, which actually came from trees. So imagine how many trees we are saving if we reduce our use of paper. Now, the other thing that we can do is, while we take a rest or we travel or we go outside and not using our computer or our printer, make sure to turn it off or to shut it down so that we can save more energy, and we can also save some money in our pockets. And we also help those gadgets or those electric equipments have longer lives. And we can also support organizations or companies that have the same advocate. Now again, we do not need to be popular, to be rich or famous, just to make a difference and save our planet Earth. One small thing or one habit can make a huge difference. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you think those tips were very helpful, how about liking this video? Of course, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. And of course, make a comment. How do you help our environment when it comes to conservation? I would love to know your opinions. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon!